Hi guys, it's Eileen, and here I am with a Dollar Tree haul full of fall and Halloween items. So before we get started, I just want to ask you, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So let's get into this. So first we're gonna do the fall items, and the first thing I picked up was this scarecrow. They had lots of new lawn ornaments and scarecrows, and I picked one of these guys up, so cute, for $1. Because I love owls, I also picked up a lawn ornament that is this owl here, so cute, I love it. And they did have lots of owls. I picked up this other teeny tiny owl to do some decorating with, and I just thought its nose was so cute, little belly button, so cute. I also got these stickers that are owls, and I thought these were adorable to do some decorating with. These are Crafter's Square felt stickers, and there's 8 in the package. I also picked up these bows because I'm planning on making some sort of new wreath for fall, for Halloween, and I picked up these bows. I thought these were super pretty. They had a bunch of varieties of bows, but I picked up these. They came 2 to a pack. They had so many new signs, and this one was my favorite. I can't get them all. This is a pumpkin and a chalkboard, and it says, "I am thankful for." It has some little pumpkins here, and I thought this was just super cute, and this is the Greenbrier brand. Adorable. So I already have the wreath to make a wreath, so I did pick up these other items to make a wreath with. This is mesh tubing. They had this in purple, black, and orange. I picked it up in purple, and I'm gonna use this for my wreath. They also had this decorative mesh in rolls. These rolls are, let's see, they're 6 inches by 5 yards, and they had these in a few different colors, and I got 2 in orange, 2 in black, and I'm gonna use that with my purple tubing to make a wreath. I might even add some of these spooky spiders. They had these, which is a 2-pack, and they had an even more giant one that was a 1-pack, and they had these in brown and black. So I picked up the 2-pack. I thought these were giant enough. Also, for the Halloween decorating, they had these ornament balls, and so I picked up 2 of these packs. This one has eyeballs in it, as you see here, and 3 purple. So 5 came to a pack. And I also got another pack, which were 3 black and then 2 orange ones with the spider web. I thought these were super cute ornaments to do some sort of decorating for Halloween. They also had, I guess these are for your door. I thought these witches' feet were adorable. They came in the purple and the black stripes. Purple's my favorite. They had them in green and black stripes and a little bit of tulle up here, and I just thought these were cute as well for Halloween decor. They also had tons of new LED decorating lights, which are my favorite, and I bought a few of them. They had them in leaves, they had them in spiders, they had them in skulls and pumpkins. So I went ahead and I picked up 2 in the skulls. The batteries are not included in these, and they're just for indoor use, and what do they take? They take 2 AA batteries. So I picked up the skulls, and I also picked up 2 packs of the pumpkins, and these are 10 lights in each package. So I thought these were awesome. I love these LED lights for decorating, so much fun. So that sums up my Dollar Tree haul. I got lots of new fall and Halloween items, super excited. I can't wait to go back, maybe even later today, to see what else they've stocked up on. So I hope you guys did enjoy my finds. If you did, please let me know in the comments down below. And also, if you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.